Hi, my name is Brittany Wheelan and I am an Ultimate Salon Professionals Educator, and I'm here today with my model Liberty. Today we're going to be doing a rope braid updo on her hair. I've prepped it by already putting some beach waves in, as well as some dry shampoo at her root. This look is going to be great for like your second or third day hair. If you're not wanting to wash it, but you want something to look nice and polished, it's a great look for the office or just for a nice weekend out. To start this look, we're going to be taking some of the sections here in the front. We're going to start at about the temple and swoop it back. And we're going to do this on both sides. To start this look, we're going to take both of these sections and we're going to tie a knot. We're going to take these two tails and tie another knot. And then I'm going to take the dry shampoo, spray it on there. This is going to give us a lot more texture to our knots. And I'm simply going to get these and bobby pin them in. This is a nice way just to spice up a half up look and make it look a little bit more polished with some pizzazz back here. I'm gonna just kind of give this a little bit more texture. Finish it off with a little bit of Enjoy finishing spray. Piece up through here. And there you go, a super easy half up look with your rope braid as an updo.